The cauliflower is a vegetable, cruciferous in nature that is similar in its physical and nutritional qualities as the broccoli. They are both a bunch of large green flower that is joined together by a core which is very thick. Sometimes, few leaves surround the core. This plant originated from the Mediterranean region of Europe. It is mostly white in color but can also have other varieties that are purple, green, and orange in color. The cauliflower possesses a nutty and slightly sweet taste. Although the colors might vary, they all taste alike. It provides phytonutrients and antioxidants that can protect the body against cancer and other carcinogens. Other components of the cauliflower are fiber, which helps in digestion and weight loss, and choline, which plays a vital role in the improvement of cognitive abilities. What is cauliflower rice? Cauliflower rice is made when cauliflower is pulsed in a food processor or grated. This is done until it forms into granules that are about the size of rice. Even though it might not taste as good as rice, it is healthy and has the same texture as boiled rice. When it is well seasoned and used in combination with other recipes and ingredients, it is quite delicious. When eaten raw, cauliflower rice grains are tender and a little bit crunchy. Eating vegetables never got any tastier. How do you make cauliflower rice with a food processor? Ingredients and equipment needed are 1 cauliflower head, 2 food processor, 3 knife, 4 spatula, 5 frying pan with lid. Follow these steps to make cauliflower rice using a food processor. Step 1. Cut the cauliflower head into 4 parts using a knife. Cut out the inner core from each chunk and use them to make the cauliflower rice if they are tender enough. Step 2. Break the cauliflower into smaller pieces using your hands or the knife and put them in the food processor. Step 3. Fix a blade attachment to the food processor and pour the cauliflower florets up to 3/4 of the processor bowl. Start processing the cauliflower using 1-second pulses. Continue till it is broken down evenly to the desired size. Step 3. Remove the unprocessed cauliflower florets and process them with the next batch. What are the differences between cauliflower rice and real rice? Before substituting the real rice we all know and love, with healthier cauliflower rice, here are some facts you need to know. 1. Texture. Cauliflower is a vegetable while rice is a grain. The grains of the cauliflower rice won't give you the same feeling and texture when you chew it. However, the grains of the cauliflower rice is fluffy, light, and has a fresh flavor. It can be used in the same way as you would use rice and a great alternative. 2. Preparation. Unlike real rice, cauliflower rice should not be simmered or cooked in boiling water. Boiling cauliflower will make it slightly slimy, soggy, soft, and mushy and cannot be used as an alternative to rice in that state. It is usually consumed raw or slightly sautéed if it is to be used as a side dish. It is not a good idea to cook cauliflower rice. 3. Dressing. Cauliflower rice does not absorb water in the same way that the starchy grains of real rice do. When sauces or dressings are added to a dish of cauliflower rice, very little quantity of them is absorbed while the rest pool at the bottom of the plate. It is best to add dressings or sauces that are just enough to coat the cauliflower rice grains instead. 4. Taste. Although riced cauliflower is used as a substitute for rice, it does not have the same neutral taste as the real rice grains you are already used to. Rather, it has a slightly nutty flavor and a mildly bitter aftertaste, unlike the bland taste of the real rice grains. 5. Storage time. Real rice grains can be cooked, put in the fridge, and it can last for up to a week. This is not applicable to the cauliflower rice. After a few days in the fridge, it becomes soft and starts to smell. Therefore, it is best to use cauliflower rice the same day it is made, or at most the next day. Did you make cauliflower rice using your food processor? Tell us how it turned out in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and turn the notification on, so that you will know once we post a new video. Do not forget to visit our site, www.zimfoodprocessors.com, for more food processor content like this.